Well, daddy has to buy a heater for the pool. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, that's but then there's not none in the Lowe's. So we have to order it on Amazon. Did you find something? None. That's a good pants. Oh, really? Wow. That's a new dance. I like your style. Why, it's so cute. Julian, you have a dress like this. You don't wear anymore. Pink. Ah, okay. So you might probably wear another underneath a skirt. Oh, oh. Jelana, let me see what you got. Long earlier when we got in, it's a long line, so I don't know why they have a long line earlier, right, Jelana? But this is so much better than today. I done earlier like 20 lines over there. Yeah, Jelana, give that to dad now, so we can go there and look. No, you don't need to. Come on, give that to dad so he can pay. So we can go there, Jelana. Let's go here and look. Come on. See, we'll wait. Look. What are these? Oh, look at that. Electric citric juicer. Wow. Hmm. It's no more. Daming mumu ni ano ah. Maricar. Mumu mo yan, Maricar. Oh, what you got? Let me see. Whoa. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. One more. Let me see. Whoa. Oo nga, dami, no? Namang Look at you. Where are you? No. Thank you. You have a pillow like that already. Oh, wow. What is that? Oh, alam niya, ano lang, tingin-tingin lang siya. Okay, come on. Oh, tingin-tingin lang siya. Where are we going? Ah, okay, let's go then. Oh, well, Jade wanna go to the GameStop since you're going famous footwear.